Hello and welcome to the Kenneth for Cameron Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we look at the statute for leaving the scene of an accident. The statute is 39:4-129. Now, the penalties for this were made the same as the penalties for DWI, which at the time was a 6-month minimum loss of license. If there was injury, then it's a minimum of 1 year loss of license. And the reason why is because some of the legislators were concerned that drunks were hitting cars and people and driving away, or the criminals were just fleeing accidents because there was warrants for their arrest, they didn't have insurance, or were suspended. So the legislature wanted to penalize this. So, but there's other types. So there's people who just flee the scene because they're trying to avoid getting caught. Other people, though, sometimes they candidly say, "Listen, I don't." No, I wasn't an accident. If I would have tapped the car in the parking lot, then I would have stopped. So Section B of the statute 39:4-129 deals with where there's no injury and only property damage, which states the driver of any vehicle knowingly involved in an accident resulting only in damage to a vehicle, including his own vehicle or other property, shall immediately stop his vehicle at the scene or as close thereto as possible, or shall return to the scene, and they got to notify the police, basically, and share information with the other driver. So sometimes I got seniors that they didn't know they were in an accident because they were just backing up, tap something. It is important, though, because there isn't the mandatory loss of license for that long of a period for someone who's charged with this to immediately sit down with an attorney and map out strategies for the defense. For more information, visit website njlaws.com and website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact the law office of Kenneth for Cameron in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.